Hey, I'm Adam with Tech.AV Club, and we're in Vegas Pro 17, and here is a quick one for you. So I try and grab little tutorials as they just make sense to make, and this is one of those, so not a lot of pomp and circumstance here, but let's get started. So lip smacking is a horrible thing. Here's an example of one I've just isolated. Hear it? It's so loud. There's a couple places particularly I want to get rid of, and there's an easy way to get rid of it. So you can already kind of see what I was doing right here. I'll show you on a fresh one. Let's find the next one. So Alexa, right here. Let's zoom in and then increase the waveform size until we see it. It's right here. Let's cut in, and we want to. It's got us limited to one frame of video, and that's okay. We're gonna cut out that frame, and I'm gonna drop it down, and do the same with the other one I did, and just leave it there for now. I'm gonna mute this track. So that doesn't fix the problem altogether. The clicking is gone, but now you got a gap in speech where the room noise and everything else is gone too, and you can see the room noise right there. So what I'm going to do is, I know where I have some room noise just recorded, and it's always a good idea to grab some extra room noise in your recording. I have some particular room noise I want to get right before this section right here, so I'm going to just cut that off, grab this one little piece of audio, move it down, and then heal my audio event back after I remove event groupings. Alright, so if we listen to this room noise on just a regular track, we need to find a part where I'm not breathing. Let's solo it. There we go, just a little bit of room noise. Nothing fancy to write home about here. We grab it, we find, I left those in the video, so I can easily find how to replace them. Now I'm going to delete, I'm going to hit ignore event groupings and then delete them, and then I've got some room noise here. I can fade in and fade out, and then I'm going to delete that and then hit control, make a copy, put it right under there, and then let's put the event groupings back and listen to it. So one thing though is I do have a thing that actually raises the room noise. So what I can, on this track here, I have a different EQ and compressor and everything. So I can actually, what I can do is duplicate the track and then delete all the crap I don't want, and then put this back underneath it. So a little bit of gain dropping overall would probably be good, just to where there's overlapping, there'll be a little bit of a punch, and you want to get rid of that punch in the overlap there. So Alexa, enable. Much better. So that's how to get rid of lip smacking and little annoyance noise like that. And like if this video helped you out, subscribe if you're looking for more videos like this one. This is a general editing tutorial for Vegas Pro, movie studios, and really editing in general. But movie studios and Vegas Pro got more tutorials coming specifically for those in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.